Hello cuties, welcome to our math lesson for today. Today we will complete lesson 21 of your Common Core Grade 2 Module 3 workbook. We will focus on your ability to complete a pattern counting up and down. Your sprint for this lesson will test your ability to subtract numbers from 10, that is, remove numbers from 10. For example, somebody says, what is 10 minus 5? If you remove 5 from 10, what will remain? What if you remove 1 from 10? Or you remove nothing at all from 10, what will remain? Alright, so complete your sprint quickly. Let us look at this application problem. Rahim is reading a really exciting book. He's on page 98. If he reads 10 pages every day, on what page will he be in 3 days? What do you see in this question? Do you see a pattern? Each day, Rahim will add 10 more. Alright, so you now understand what I'm saying now. Like when we did 10 more in the previous lesson. 10 more than 10 more than 98 is what? But now you have it for 3 days. That is 10 plus 10 plus 10. If you do 10 more than 98 3 times, you're going to have 128. That is true because 10 more than 98 is 108. If you add another 10 to 108, you have 118. If you add a third 10 to 118, you have 128. So 98 plus 30 will be 128. That means after 3 days, Rahim will be on page 128 of the exciting book. You must be doing the book. Alright, so now in your place value chart, use digits of 100, tens, and ones to show 266. We place value this. Show 266. You see my own already. 2 digits of 100, 6 digits of tens, and 6 digits of ones. 266. Use place value this to show and count out loud by ones from 266 to 272. Alright, so let us count 272. That is the target. We're from 266 to now 267, 268, 269. What do we say now? It is not 260. Remember, 10 digits of ones. What can you do to dig 10 digits of ones? Can we exchange for something? Okay, so we have 2 digits of 100, 6 digits of tens, 11 digits of ones. Let's keep counting it as though we're writing it very well. So we have 271 now, 270, 271, 272. That's what you have. Let's make a new unit. What unit can we make? We can bundle 10 ones and make it 1 digit of 10, can't we? Let's do it. Yeah, so we have 272. Alright, now use place value this to count out loud by hundreds from 272 to 772. We have 272, 372, 472, 572, 672, 772. That's 772. Can you say the next 2 numbers in our pattern will be 872 and 972. 110. Okay, so use place value this to complete another 10. Count out loud to complete another 10. Alright, so we have 773, 774, 775, 776, 777, 778, 779, 700. Alright, let's keep counting the normal way. So we have 780. I wanted to say the next two numbers in our pattern, counting up by ones. Okay, so we'll still counting up by ones. 780, 780, 780. Let's trade it. Trade your ones for 10. Very simple. 780. Use place value this to skip count out loud by tens from 780 to 700. That's it. 770, 760, 750, 740, 730, 720, 710, 700. Let's count it backwards. And you say the next two numbers in our pattern. If we remove two more tens from 700, what will you get? This 680. For sure, 690, 680. Change your place value chart to show one more than 700. We have 730 here, 731. Let's use place value this to count down by tens out loud from 731 to 671. Okay, that is 631, 621, 611, 671. Say the numbers missing from our pattern. Look at the pattern. There are two numbers before 641, 631. But if I look at 641, 631, I see already that they are counted backwards in tens. 10 less than 641 is 631. Okay, so let's do it that way. 10 less than a number is 641. So I can also say 10 more than 641 is 651. And the first one will be 661. If the first one is 661, 10 less than 661 is 651, and 10 less than 651 is 641. 10 less than 641 is 631. That is the pattern. Now use place value this to count down by hundreds from 671 to 371. Let's count by hundreds. 571, 471, 371. Quite easy. Now look at the pattern. Can you see the pattern, the missing numbers now? It's keep counting backwards. In hundreds, yes. So we have 271, 171, 71, because let's keep counting backwards in hundreds. That is what you see in that pattern. Now use place value this to count out loud by ones from 371 to 375. Let's go. We have 371, 372, 373, 374, 375, 375. Now The same way, just look at the pattern. What will be the pattern? What will be the first number? 376, 377, 378, 379, 380. Well, one more than a number. That's the pattern. Alright, so you do this activity with your partner in class. You form more group or less group. You're going to choose a number between 40 and 600. Just pick a number. If you're in a more group, skip counting. In your more group, skip counting tens, and your less group, skip count in tens in the less group. So 10 less than the number you picked, like that. If you're in a more group, your partner will count 10 more than. Alright, once you're done with the lesson 21 problem set, bring your work to class. See you in our next lesson. Bye.